Hello there, today I show you my realistic smoke photo effect Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously apply some result. See the result, you can change the color, you can change the shining, and you can use your own background. It's very easy, or you can save the PNG, transparent PNG very easily. There is no need to any other experience. Just watch this video and use our product. See the looking, you can control the shading and inner lighting, and also you can do the dual color. You can use the dual color combine and the triple color combine and the one single color combine. Just open your photo and brush the brush point and play the script. This is the result, fully professional, and it's work high resolution image. Okay, now I have start. Go my download file. There is brush file, help file, our action file, and style file. We need to load these three first, then play the script. This one. First open your photo, open your Photoshop, and you can select the brush and double click your mouse, then it's load your automatically your Photoshop. Then you can select and double click the style, it's load your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. And you can check out help file. There is some size and written help file how to use, and there is our supporting option. You can get support very easily and fastly. Okay, go my Photoshop and go window, and I need to load brush. Click this hide option there, the more option, and input brush. Find out my download file, like this one, the main realistic file. There is brush format show, and select and load button click. Now it's loaded. Go window, and now we want to style option show. Go there and input style. Again go my download file, there is show style, and select and load button. Style is loaded. Go window, action option click, then action option show may be the right side. I have settled it to left side for my better understanding purpose. And go window and the layer option click. This is the layer option. Now go the action option there and load button click. Find out the file, select my action file, the main file, realistic smoke. Select and load button click. Now it's loaded, and up and down option. This is the script, last one, the realistic smoke brush, and this is the playing option. So now everything is okay. Now I want to open a photo. First time I think open this photo for dancing photo. You can use any composition photo. It's work nicely and any high resolution very nicely. There is no enough space in the left or right side, but top and bottom side I think okay. So we need to make size, fix the size, otherwise our smoke not show. Okay, so make size first, just use the crop tool. Okay, and I think a little need the bottom size. Okay, now image is more bigger size because my image is already a high resolution image. If you do not want to the extra size to play, please use your target size, that is better for you. Or your photo is low resolution, then you can use the high resolution photo, make the high resolution, then you can apply the script. It's work better. I have typed that 3500 pixel for a standard size, or you can use 300 pixel. Okay, and make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. In there is show RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode RGB, just click there. Any message show, just click OK button, click. And make sure your photo is a log icon show, background name is background. Okay, sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent on the other layer 0 format. That is not accept the action make the error message. You need to fix it. Right button, click your mouse, the layer option and the fit and option, click. Now is set a log background layer and go the option. Just check out this option is smaller entire document, use default marks, and as it is my setting. Okay, now it's done. Prepare and go quick selection option. You can use the brush tool, you can use the pen tool, you can use quick selection tool. I think this tool is easy for you. Quick selection tool, select, and there is show select subject button. Just click the select subject button. Then your photo is auto focusing, say the selection mode. And if you need any selection area to work, you can work. Create a new layer and double click the new layer text option, type there BRUSS brush, and send my spelling. Do not change the brush spelling, space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase, lowercase, mix up letter only lowercase. Click the other blank area. Okay, now its name is fixed, and you can use the paint bucket tool, or you can use the brush tool. I just fill up the use the any light color for understanding. Fill up, just click and fill up my selection. Okay, and I make sure you select the brush layer and fill up the brush layer, and brush layer is viewed and brush layer is selected. And there is the selection mode on, and if selection mode 1 you hit the play button, action make the error message. So you need to deselect first. Go selection and deselect first. See, and still if you need any of area brushing, you can select the brush tool and select default general brush, top or hard brush, and brush layer selected already. You can brush any of area if you think some of area mistake. Sometimes the selection is mistake. Okay, I think is perfect, and select the all in on play action, play me, select and hit the play button, click. Now it's start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size, but one thing there is the you just follow my all steps same to same, then it's work nicely and better. If you just mistake any of a step, then is you must be face the trouble. And that is not only for my action, all our market action same condition. So you need to follow the tutorial or help file, then you can follow all step, then it's work nicely. Sometimes some client message me and get the live support from AnyDex, but they share just basic option they mistake, and we just solve the live and they are very surprised. Oh, hello, their action is done working. Now we can custom. There is more layer and view. So this is the default setting and our ending message show. This is the default setting. You can control everything. Now just I show you and give you the tricks. And see, the all layer are separate. We have making, this is the background option. You can if you do not need to the background any, you need to make transparent. So firstly uncheck this option, this layer unview, and another layer unview the back option, back 2 and back 1 uncheck, and also you uncheck the background. Now your photo is the transparent mode, see, and color is perfect, just transparent. Okay, and you can save it now. PNG, quick PNG export very easily, the transparent option. And if you want to use your own background, you can use your own background, but there is I have used the crop tool, that's why it's not perfectly. If your photo is already perfect background and do not need the space, make the space in the left side, right side, then it's already perfect, is working. This is the our default color background, and this is the shading for making the foreground vertical. You can use this tool, and there is the color changing option. You can change the color grading anytime, more shining or everything. I do not need this, I just close this. This is the back smoke, see, this is the back smoke extra, and this is the back smoke too. So see it, the long option, long and small, two in one include. That is the glow option, so I can glow, we include the glow in photo. And photo looking, this is the photo looking simply, and we have moved. This is the top option, top phase option. You can use this one, use the max tool and brush tool, and use the sub brush. I prefer, may use the black, this option, the max option, and you brush, and the black color is top. Then see, watch it, the option is view it, and there our photo looking, see, and the top color is white, see, photo is more vivid, and sometime it's work reverse, black work the photo editing, adding, and white the removing. So now I have adding the and the white option is working. See, you can view your photo visual more if you think do not need the shining and glowing there. So you can use this option perfectly, the use this tool. Okay, this is a separate, not only full option, just top option. And there is the another shading, photo shade, we call it shade, and this is the supporting another one. You just check and uncheck, so your photo is viewed visual, not white color show. You can laze it if you don't like the more shining, so you can laze it and see it. And there is the another glowing option, and another photo fixing option. There is the adjustment default, and you can check out any adjustment, and there anything, and color fix dual color. You can use the dual color combination, see the looking, and another one, the color more extra color. If you use this one and use this one, there is, see the different extra color of what the work. And there is the fire color looking, and another pinkish, and the pink and purplish, and faded tone added automatically, color fix. This is the dual color fixing option, and you can use another one, see another looking, and uncheck this one and use this one, another looking. So you can combine the layer very easily, another one, and use this one, the another looking, and use this one, another looking. And there is another one, so we have include more of color, and there is the black option, see, and another one, just check and uncheck. If you want to dual, you can use the dual, but you uncheck must be layer, then you view another layer. If you work the all layer are viewed, then the trouble is showing. You can combine dual or triple, another one. Okay, and there is the adjustment, see, we have include more, the new looking, see, just check out all layers, so that that can show you the new look. See, all adjustment and everything, color adjustment, they are shining, everything is perfectly worked. Is very nice color for the smoking, the color 12, another one, and another one. And this is the color changing, double click, you can change the color very easily, see, watch it. And another color changer, double click, there is no same logic, the different logic, so different view it. Another one, this is the shining looking, double click, and see, I think I want to this one. Oh, wow. And also this one, the more shining and glamour. There is the extra photo top, see, you can use it, and the full area photo, the real photo, you can select the marks. If you use this one and brush, see there is white option not working, so sometimes is need to reverse black option, and you can brush. See, I make the brush bigger, and okay, I think okay. See, it's very nice now. You can make the color change now. See, everything is set very easily. Now I show you another photo how it look. Not only on photo is this composition match any type of photo. I think I use this one this time, the boy photo, and make the space, the cropping tool we use, and the image and size, and I have typed that 300 pixel, and quick selection tool, select subject button, click, and make the selection and type their brush, and I have fill up it, and deselect and hit the play button. So it's working. We have some others script, this subject, smoke or fog or dust or fire, so you can check out my all collection, visit my profile. See, stop message is working, the result is finished. So this is the photo and combination photo is look too good. You can use the dual color combine, and think the face looking, select this the marks, and top color is white, and brush it, sub brush use, then it's work nicely. See, I think now perfect. Just viewing purpose, the glowing is down deeply now. Okay, and you can use the color combination and everything. Thanks for seeing this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message or profile MRI Studio, and our Facebook fan page MRI Studio. You can live chat with me, my WhatsApp number, and get the AnyDex. You can live support AnyDex. Just fix the time, message me in WhatsApp or my Facebook Messenger, or email me.